Well, he attack me. But Jayden Chase, they have to make the fans them know what really are going on.
What you talking about? Is Jayden place? See me up to the time, a cartel. I represent for Jayden Chase. We spray them face on the AK rays. See me up to the time, the Gaza station.
Dancehall royalties available on all digital platforms. Make sure so go support the EP. Yeah, man, move settings, viewers and subscribers. And we no need no ladder. Gaza Nation, we no find the Gaza station. Welcome to the channel, Jayden Chase. And yes, we are bringing another new and yes, exciting reasoning for the topic of dancehall and entertainment. Remember, man, I remind you now, for click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and also leave a like, a comment, and yes, boss a share on the blog in truth. Now, viewers and subscribers, the Billboard music group and Facebook has made a big announcement where Vybz Kartel and dancehall music is concerned. Now, they have stated that inclusive of their Hot 100, Billboard 200, Artist 100, and their Billboard Global 200 charts, streams of officially licensed music video and Facebook will now be factored in to those categories. Now, regardless of what the media might say, and regardless of genre, whether dancehall or reggae, we know this: Vybz Kartel is still one of the most streamed dancehall artists in our history, different from Bob Marley them. And if you agree with me, empty a clip of likes on the video right now. If you agree, more empty a clip of likes on the video right now. As a matter of fact, with recent attempts by the so-called music gatekeepers to place Alkaline as the face of dancehall music for Spotify, when we know he's not the most streamed artist, whether upon the YouTube platform them like to talk about where Skilly Bang is now being dominant, followed by Vybz Kartel, then Alkaline. We see that there are attempts being made to turn the focus away from Vybz Kartel, his legacy and his achievements. No, never because of the locks, because there is a thing with dreadlocks. Overseas people see it as a certain representation of our Jamaican culture. Is a reason why Diddy them did locks up, and is a reason why even Alkaline himself locks up. Now they announced that the changes will go into effect on March 27th. Now, Facebook added officially licensed music videos to their platform on August 1st, 2020. We need to make sure so we're over there support the music viewers and subscribers. This is now for all of those who have Facebook accounts. This is now a place where support our streams of the music videos and it's something entertaining to watch. The greatest thing or a good thing is that, and not just the audio, they might allow the admission of music videos. So that is good with all of the investments being put into music videos. And for the better part, no real chart show for dancehall music videos, different from the YouTube platforms and different social media platforms, the IGs, the Facebook, Twitters, you name them, the places where people go and watch their videos, the TikTok. This is a good venture for dancehall music going forward into the modern age. Now, Billboard also announced that all other charts that incorporate streaming data will factor these streams as well. That is also big news for all other charts. Now, Facebook, however, said, now, user-generated content will be excluded from Billboard tallies. Means a user-generated content. If you put out the video, so only officially licensed music. So from the page, so we have to start support the official Vybz Kartel Facebook page. Go upload the video, then pan it. Go over there showing the support as long as you not pass through, watch a video, watch multiple videos, drop your comment, share it so some other people can see what go on. And we'll make a move for the Billboard charts now. And that is what counts. And remember, we not do it for the charts. We are doing it to show them say Gaza Nation are the loudest voice viewers and subscribers. There is no going around that. We have the biggest fan base to date, and we are make that known. We are gonna make that known, viewers and subscribers. Them I say Facebook streams will be added to Billboard tally. Then we can look forward to see more dancehall artists on the Billboard then. Because for the better part, dancehall has somewhat been excluded. I remember when the teacher got to the ramping shop and tap it and show them, say, no, we have the work ethic, we have the creativity, we have the raw talent, wagwan. But different factors. And the fact that, because Junior can make a statement recently to him. Him say him still believes that reggae and dancehall is one, seeing that dancehall was a place and it evolved from the root sound to what it is now. Watch it, man. We got the youngest veteran, the youngest uncle. But I not agree with that. No, I not agree with that. Yes, dancehall was a place. But the genre called dancehall is a genre to itself. And if we continue to brand dancehall under the same umbrella as reggae, then look at go on. You will have less and less dancehall artists being celebrated worldwide when we talk about even achievements or even artists being awarded for their contributions to the music. No, you can't brand them as the same. The tempo of music is different, the lyrical content is different, meaning the subject matter is different, even though they might overlap. The lyrical content are songs from the reggae genre. But even when we categorize the music, there is a difference. There is a difference. And the way the music is supported is different. Majority of the patrons who will turn out for a dancehall show are not the same patrons who you will see at a reggae event. And we can talk the truth about that. Are just the facts. I know the same crowd. I know the same crowd. While some people might pass through. And that is true for the better part. But when we talk about Sting Pan a night, biggest one of dance, which used to be one of dancehall's biggest one night events, titled Dancehall Events. Majority of the artists that were showcased on that particular showcase, whether dreadlocks or not, were singing dancehall music. So now I'm not for doing locks. Dancehall music is something entirely different from reggae. And we're there up on the side, we listen to music, we know the difference. The radio station, the disc jocks who select the songs know the difference. The selector them who drop the song on the dance, them know the difference too. They know the difference. There is a difference. So while I one family, I agree with that part. Saying dancehall and reggae are the same. And that's why sometimes dancehall music is treated unfairly. And we talk about these Billboard charts. And we talk about shows like the Grammy, of which the Marleys play a significant role. As one of the wife, I think a Ziggy wife, is a committee member. He even talk about the thing. He say every time him brother win, him brother deserve to win. Despite the people might say. Yeah, him say every time him brother win, him brother did deserve to win. So that's a film take. And he must support him family. And would I look upon him away if him they say anything other than that? Yeah, without me, that's me. I look upon him away if him they say anything other than that. So I guess he must speak for him truth. Or what is true to him or to his eyes. But talk to him how you feel hearing this news that social media giant and their new venture deal with the Billboard record music company will now have a major impact on dancehall music, seeing that fans of dancehall are now well in tune with the media, whether it be social or not. You know what I mean? So talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Definitely a good look where dancehall and Vybz Kartel music is concerned. I would say even this day and age, we'll talk about the advent of technology and its impact on dancehall music. Vybz Kartel definitely, and his music and the Gaza Nation as a movement has definitely played a significant role in the growth of even other artists. Think about it. And we'll talk about numbers digitally. Vybz Kartel is still the leading artist we have put out songs at a certain pace, albums, and have a catalogue of hits. Very few artists can boast this in the dancehall genre in this day and age. And if you can talk about the culture moving forward, the teacher is definitely a driving force in that as well. So talk to me in the comment section, viewers and subscribers. Vice the one called Jayden Chase, the dancehall correspondent, the Gaza representative, and I'm reminded, you know, if you're new to the channel, new to the movement, just a pass through, but they like the reason, of course, they like the point of view. Well, I'm suggesting to you that you click the subscribe icon and then the bell icon right after that and put it on all, and this is how you know we'll be notified of all fresh content as soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. The like icon there to you, drop a like on the blog from a like where your earbuds are shape on the blog in truth. Yes, tell a friend, tell them sister and them brother them for check out the channel, check out the reasoning. Yes, join the discussion. Comment section open 24/7, never lock yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there, and we can consider the reasoning via the comment section. Young artists, yes, the promo special is now up and running again. Contact the IG page, Jayden_Chase_DM for details. So tell everybody you know, every young artist you know want to support, they want to review. Yeah, the promo is still up and running, the special. Up move settings, viewers and subscribers. I wouldn't need no ladder, and my sentiments for you and yours is going to live, love, and prosper until the reason again.